I screamed, and I literally almost peed myself. Hey guys, what's up? Hi, how are ya? It's Zach. Welcome back to my channel. So today was a very eventful day. Seeing as this video is going to go up on a later time, let me tell you the day. Right now it is 11:42, Friday, September 7th. This video will be going up today, which is Saturday, September 8th. But that's not the point. The point is, I got an email from UPS saying that I had a package on the way, and I didn't recognize where it was coming from, but it was being shipped overnight from Anaheim, California. I was like, okay, this is weird. I've never had a package shipped overnight before, nor have I had like any sort of PR shipped overnight before. Normally it's been like, oh, you'll get it in like 3 to 4 days, which is normal. But this, I was very curious. I was like expecting like an envelope of some sorts. I don't know why, because it was like 1 pound, and I guess like that's just a generic size. Anyway, so I spent the entire day refreshing, checking my email, refreshing UPS, seeing if it was delivered, and it was delivered. And when I opened the box, I screamed, and I literally almost peed myself. Now you guys might be wondering, Zach, that's a little extreme for a package, and you will understand my reasoning behind my actions and reactions when I show you what was in the box. So here we go. Ta-da! What was in the box was the new Urban Decay Elements palette. This is for their Holiday 2018 collection. This launches September 10th. And Urban Decay knows where I live. Like, hello Urban Decay, you can adopt me. You know, I'll work. You know, I'll live in the basement. But thank you so much for this amazing gift. And you guys might be like wondering how I accomplished getting this amazing package in the mail with only like 145 subscribers. Well, over on Instagram I have a higher following, and I'm so thankful to all of them. They are my fish babies. They are my fish family, and I am the fish father. Hello. I love you guys. And we are almost at 13,000 over there, and I am so thankful to every single one of them, and I'm going to be doing a video about that very soon. But today we are talking about this baby. So let me slide her open. That sounded disgusting. Let me open it. Okay, so this is a beautifully round circle, and inside you get 19 beautiful shades, with the center shade being this beautiful iridescent white named Luna. My favorite shade by far has to be this one called Secret Keeper. It is a beautiful green. It literally screams my name. Like, my mermaid tail is this color in my dreams, despite what my logos say. So besides 19 gorgeous shades, you do get this giant mirror. This is as big as my face. Hello. Also, if Jeffree Star made like gigantic skin frost, the component would be this size. This is huge. 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 Now that I've shown you the palette, I want to go over a little bit of the specs, price point, launch date. Like I said earlier, this palette is going to launch September 10th, 2018, and it will retail for $52. And I want to read a little bit about I want to read the description basically, so let's get ready for some story time. The unbelievably gorgeous Elements eyeshadow palette spans space and time with 19 mystical, never-before-seen shades in a celestial, ultra-sleek compact. Yes. Inspired by the elements air, earth, fire, and water, a constellation of unique colors orbit around Luna, an ultra-iridescent transformer shade. It's what I have on my brow bone right now. I don't know if like you'll be able to see it. It's gorgeous. The 19 new multi-dimensional pigments include bright mattes, holographic shimmers, and molten metallics. We predict you'll love Fortune Teller, a metallic genta with green 3D sparkle and shift. And Hex Remedy is an iridescent purple that really raises our vibration. Basically, the vibe of this palette is mystical, elemental, magic, and I am 100% for that. Like, we've been getting a lot of zodiacs collections and etc., but this one is focusing on, I believe, the magic of nature, and I really love that. Growing up, I always would go out into the woods or something, you know, pretend I was like a fairy or like an elf, and you know, that really shaped who I am today. But overall, this palette is gorgeous, and if you want to see how I got this look, then let's get right into the mini tutorial right now. We are going to be diving into the Urban Decay Elements palette. I was super excited to receive this at my door. I was not expecting it. And we're going to go right into the shade Antidote, which is right here. And we're going to use this as our transition shade. And if you've ever used an Urban Decay palette, you know they are pigmented. And I'm just going to use the mirror that comes in it because it's a big mirror. Next, we're going to take the shade Elemental. So far, like, I love this. The color payoff is what you should expect from an Urban Decay palette, so this palette definitely does not disappoint. She's pigmented, she's flirty, you know, she's giving me my best life right now. Hi guys, so I'm just taking the shade Firestarter to deepen the crease further. The audio for this clip was distorted, so I just did a voiceover, hey! Next, I'm going with the shades Luna and Electric Air, and we're going to highlight the brow bone. I decided that I wanted to do a halo eye, so we're going to just apply some concealer to the center. I'm going to be taking the shade Fool's Gold, and we're going to be setting the concealer in the center. I am now going to take the shade Moon Rock, and we're going to put that on both sides of the gold. I'm now going to smoke out the bottom lash line with that shade Elemental, and then we're going to throw on some lashes, and this look is done. Overall, this palette makes me really super excited for other holiday launches. Like, Urban Decay, you guys set the bar very high this year. And I just can't get over, you know, how beautiful this is. Like, it reminds me of alchemy, it reminds me of astrology. Of course, that's one of the elements behind this Elements palette. I just cannot get over this. I highly recommend you guys get this when it comes out. It comes out September 10th. And, yeah, if you don't get it, you're missing out. And I love this. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. This was sent to me PR. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this review / tutorial. So, until next time, guys. Bye. Also, don't forget to like, favorite, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. And I will love you forever. I mean, I already do, but a whole eternity is a lot of love, you know?